What's happening, YouTube? How are you guys doing today? Welcome to another vlog of Daring Whips. Today we're gonna be changing the brake duct on my car, and it broke somehow. I got no idea how to brake, so I'm here with my boy Ash right there. 30 years. He's gonna be helping me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys like. And this video is only for you f30 people, so if you're not f30 person, you're probably not gonna enjoy it. Hope you guys have a good day. Just go again. Right. So the people that don't know what brake duct is, this thing right here that takes the air to your brakes and make them cool once you're like hitting too much brakes. And these are the screws that you guys need to open. These ones right here, that, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. These are T20s and T30s. First thing you guys want to do is turn your wheels to make it easier for you to work on, give you more space. And so the screws I'm going to be opening up is this one, the second one right here, and the third one is going to be up here. I'll show you guys in a minute. And then there's two screws on here, and let me do that. I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so you guys, I've got the screws off, and actually I found out there's one right here. See that? Yeah, there's one right there. So you're supposed to open those three up and the one under it, and you guys do the same thing on the other side. We had a little problem. I had to take off the lip because my lip was covering up the screws right here. So okay, you guys, so you guys need to open three screws right there. So there's one, it's not a screw actually, it's just a clip. So one clip right here, there's one clip right there, or I don't know if you can see it, hold up, right there, there's another clip. So 1, 2, and there's a third clip in the back. So, and there's one sensor that you gotta take it off, you know, the temperature sensor, you just gotta take it off. So another clip is right there, this one right here. And that's it. That's how you take off the air intake duct. This is the part. This is how it goes. So there's one clip right there, another one right there, and there's no on the back. And you could just see the one back and the back on the back side. So this is how it goes. Now I'm gonna be changing another side of the sensor. Okay guys, that's it for today's video, and next video I'm gonna be changing my mirror caps for my f30, of course. And make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe, and comment below what else you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching, guys.